Hi guys, this is Dee, and I made this very impromptu video just to see if I can get these yellow stains out of a very old, 25-year-old to be exact, JBL Pro speaker that is part of a 1998 compact Presario desktop computer system. I decided to use a combination of baking soda and 30 developer. For the first pass, I left that one on for 24 hours. And then the second time, because I did this twice, the second time I used 40 developer and the baking soda. Both times I wrapped the speaker in foil and left it on overnight. So yeah, that is what I am doing. Hopefully it will help me get these yellow stains out that are there, of course, due to aging. And I'm going to come back with the results for you. Let's see if it works. And here is the finished product. It worked, it worked, it worked. Now there is still, a little bit of yellowing there, very minor, but it is a heck of a lot better than where it was. Crazy, you guys. I can't believe how well this actually worked. Not bad, guys, not bad at all. So that is it. This was a quickie, but hey, everyone enjoys a quickie from time to time, right? I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment below. Let me know if you tried it, what your results are, and please a thumbs it up, share, and if you would be so kind as to subscribe. So, till next time, bye.